Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Girl, it's ugly. I didn't even drink that much, y'all. I'm just tired. Like, my body's like, we are more of like day drinkers. Like, we do brunch, but we're home by 6 p.m. Like, what are you doing now? Hello, beautiful people. I am headed to get lunch. It's Friday, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself to one of my favorite foods, Thai food. If you don't know, I love Thai food. I really love seafood. I love all food. I love to eat, period. Okay, that's my Mary Had a Little Lamb. But I'm headed to Shiki's in Homewood. I really, really like it. Definitely try it out. I'm getting the roasted duck curry. I usually get that or the chicken pad prick, which is like chicken and rice and bell peppers and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm getting. I'm really excited. I should have just ate there now that I'm thinking about it, but whatever. And then after this, I'm gonna stop at Ulta really quick. I need to pick up a few items, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of makeup on my face. I'm saying a little bit, but I might do full glam and just go ahead and knock out some content. But I'm easing into the morning. This is kind of how I reset when I have like a heavy day. Yesterday was a heavy day. It was a great day. I loved it. Like, don't get me wrong, but I have to like reset and refill myself. So took it easy this morning. I got a ton of work done in bed. I don't know if I got any clips of that, maybe, but so I got a ton of work done. Then I worked out, took a shower, and just like reset. Even last night, I kind of started my reset routine. I did like a coffee scrub and like exfoliated, like all the things to make me feel glam and relax. And I got some really good rest. I slept in. It was amazing. So y'all, so we got the goods, and I'm about to do my favorite thing ever. Don't judge me. I'm about to eat in the car. I don't know why I like it. I literally enjoy eating in the car. So let me show you guys my meal. And then I just thought, I'm like, I have this white shirt on. I'm about to eat in the car. Lord, let me be an adult and not spill nothing. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm hungry. So I got the roasted duck curry. Oh, let me pick y'all up so y'all can see. Look. If you've been on my channel for a while, then you know. Then you already know. So yes, I'm about to literally devour this. Like, I have no sense. Okay? I'm about to go in. Hand sanitizer. Might watch a YouTube video or something. Just kind of, yeah, chill out. Because once I get home, it's game time. You know what would have really made this moment tragedy? If they would have forgot the silverware. Because I already drove away. Because there was like people like in and out their truck next to me. It was too much. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you, Lord. Wow. How great. I be serious when I'm eating. This is not a game. It's not a game. They always know the assignment. Made it home. So, it's 2:18. We only a few minutes behind schedule. That's okay. So, I'm about to do my makeup really quickly so we can record. So, I'm starting much later. I was on FaceTime with my best friend. I hadn't talked to her in a while, so yeah, it's okay. I can, you know, sometimes you gotta prioritize things, child. So I did record the first clip for this video that I want to include. This video is gonna be like a little bit different than some videos I've done. I'm gonna be talking about how to be productive when you're feeling unmotivated. I think this is gonna be good. I don't know if it's gonna like do well on YouTube or anything, but I'm trying to adjust the I don't know if it's gonna do well on my channel, but I like this concept. I feel like y'all ask me a lot of questions about how I'm productive and stuff like that, so I figured I'm gonna start doing videos like that, like how I can't even talk. How I stay focused, my routines as far as like structuring my content, structuring my days, like my mindset, everything, like all those kind of things. I feel like would be good. So just getting situated. I definitely want these to be like a casual talk, but of course still super educational and informative. So just trying to get my equipment together, child. Cute. So let me show y'all. Y'all are on my phone, by the way. So we have the lighting, y'all already know, dynamic duo, the camera, and that's what we're working with. So do a quick little mic check. And my notes are on my phone, so I'm sorry. Y'all can't watch the whole thing, but I will link the video because it should be up by now. Hey y'all, it's Cameron the K, come to you guys with a new video. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let's see. My makeup is looking really good today. Not my hair. Y'all better get information. With the quality. Yes, I'm drinking my coffee out of a wine glass. That's what's giving. Hello beautiful people. So as you see, I'm doing some laundry and I'm also trying to throw out some shirts and just throw out clothes and donate and separate the ones I do want to put on Poshmark. Y'all, anybody else struggle with throwing away t-shirts that have like your school, like I don't know, like when you graduated, I don't know, like sentimental shirts that it's like, girl, that's a t-shirt and it's raggedy, you can't even read the words. I'm struggling. So I'm trying to throw out some stuff that I literally just have it because I have added sentimental value. When it's like, girl, it's ugly, you don't even wear it, it's too small, it's too big, it's ugly, I don't know. So I'm trying to revamp my closet a bit today. So that's today's task. And then later on, me and my boyfriend are gonna go to a black young lawyers event, social type thing, child. Y'all know how those goes, where it's like, hi. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to an event later on. So yeah, stay tuned. Hello beautiful people. So I feel like this weekend vlog is kind of boring, but I don't know, I just had like the organization bug. So like I organized a whole bunch of stuff. I'll insert some pictures of my drawers. I still have so much I need to get rid of, honestly, but like, am I a hoarder? What? Like, is that hoarding? Like, what's going on? So I got Chick-fil-A. That's what I was kind of craving. Oh, that Sprite is, no, Chick-fil-A knows what I need. That Sprite is good. No, just kidding. I'm weak. No, that Sprite's all right. I should have got the lemonade. But it could be I just brushed my teeth. Oh, I meant to say no cheese. It's okay. So, I got the grilled chicken cool wrap, as y'all know, with the, oh, they gave me 2. Avocado lime ranch. I really only need 1, though. It's open. And then I got fries. They're waffle fries. Ooh, these look fresh. This, I'm gonna drop stuff at the donation place. I'm super excited. I got my package from Express, so I guess I'll show you guys some of that later on when I get home. And I also got some new slippers from Amazon because my current slippers, they're dead and gone. Okay, sis, they've seen what they needed to see. I hate when people park next to you. I know y'all see me sitting here, and I did put sanitizer on my hands, but I'll do it again just for y'all, for the camera. So if you've been following me, you know, or if you've been watching my vlogs, my boyfriend was doing like this only eat salads basically challenge. And I was like, okay, cool, like I'll do it, but I'll like replace one meal with a salad or a smoothie. And I've come to the conclusion, I just don't like salads. Like, is that weird? Anybody else, please let me know if I'm not alone. I just don't like salads. Not that I don't like vegetables, I just don't like salads. Like, I'd rather eat a wrap. Even if this was just a lettuce wrap, like I'd rather eat that. I just don't like salads. And I Googled it because, I mean, whenever you're confused, you Google everything, right? I do. And it's fine, I guess it's normal. I'd rather just roast the vegetables, eat it in a lettuce wrap, or like drink a smoothie with protein or something, but like I just don't like salad. So I need some sunglasses. It just don't hit without sunglasses. Back home in the dark because it's so dark in here. I hate the lighting. Okay, let's open this Amazon package. I know it's slippers, but I just can't wait. I hope they fit. Oh, these might not fit. Honey. Okay, this is what they look like. Let's just should have got my nails done today. These are giving very much small. I have big feet, y'all. I wish I was 10. Some people might be like, that's not even big. That's what I said. That's what they look like. Super cute. Very similar to the ones I have, except these are like nude. The ones I have are white. Well, they were white. They're really, really, really soft. Like, and they have the grip on the bottom. So, really cute little slippers for the house. Super cute. I like these. And they're really soft. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. You probably can't tell, like, on camera, but I mean, super soft. I will link them down below, but cute, the little card that they gave with the slippers. Come on, marketing. We love a good product, a good business product, whatever, y'all see what I'm saying. It actually says, like, blow dry it if it looks not fluffy. These were actually pretty fluffy. And then it also says, these relaxed house slippers might feel a little tight at first, but stretch out a bit after a week. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Aw, thanks. I love that. Thank you for that. Okay, y'all, so I hate the lighting in here. So this is what I'm wearing. I got these shorts from Zara. These shoes I think are DSW. This top is H&M, I believe. I'll try to find links. I'm trying to tuck it in the back. And this purse is H&M. This is what I'm wearing. We're going to Sebastian bar for the black lawyers, some black lawyer organization thing. So I think this is definitely appropriate. I feel still trendy and cute, but like not too revealing, but it's hot and we're gonna be outside on the rooftop. So I feel like this is giving what needs to be gave. And these shoes are super comfortable. I love these. Okay. I was gonna bring like a blazer or something, but I think I'm not. So I can't find the cover to y'all, so I'm gonna have to leave. Y'all here? I have my phone, so I'll try to get some behind the scenes, but. Okay, y'all, so I decided to change my top. I just wasn't feeling the floral, but you have to do like a little password to get in. I have to go down this little, it's giving me exclusive, it's cute, but we're here. I'm gonna try to get a little behind the scenes, but I won't be talking too much. All black with a red lip, still the same shoes on. So get on there, look at it. Bar Sebastian with the Hello beautiful people. So as you see, I am just doing some editing. It's Sunday, so I need to get the Sunday vlog up. It is much later than I would like to start editing, and that I'm gonna end up getting the vlog that I'm gonna end up getting the vlog up. I was trying to just stick to between like 3 and 5 p.m. on Sunday. But it's 3:58. So, and I'm just starting. So now my goal is if I can get this done by 7, I'll be more than satisfied. 8 at the absolute very latest. If I don't finish it by 8, then I'm just going to upload it in the morning. I think I'm just going to start doing that. But I had a great time last night. We went to Sebastian bar and then we went to Safe Room. It was really nice spending time with some colleagues and friends, of course, and my boyfriend. It was just a really good time. And then I just woke up this morning. We just, you know, chilled out, had a slow morning because we were out until like maybe 3 in the morning. So we just kind of, you know, Sunday cuddles. But yeah, we just chilled out and enjoyed each other's time. So yeah, I got some behind the scenes, so you guys saw those clips. So yeah, but I'm gonna end this video here because I want to get the editing done so y'all can see what I did last week. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. If you made it this far in the video, my brain is still thinking slow. It's not that I didn't even drink that much, y'all. I'm just tired. Like, my body's like, we are more of like day drinkers. Like, we do brunch, but we're home by 6 p.m. Like, what are you doing now? What do you think? Who do you think you are? Okay. If you made it to the end of the video, comment below. I define what success looks like for me. Oh, I ain't even mean for that to be that good. Okay, run that back. So if you made it to the end of the video, comment below. I define what success looks like for me. Ooh, that's so good, because I think so many times, like, when we think of like success or successful or like living a successful life, we immediately think monetary, which of course financial freedom is the goal. But like being able to just have a slow morning or to not have to ask for vacation time. Like, my mom's coming to town this week, and I don't know, it's like, to me, that's, I feel like I'm kind of living in success in so many other ways rather than just finances. But like, I don't know, I feel really good mentally, emotionally, and online, offline. Like, I just feel really good. So I define what success looks like for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.